here, there's always something that needs done. You just try to stay one step ahead of Mother Nature and her weather, and one step closer to the things that matter most. Some days it's work, some days it's memories. Either way, they all count. So stick around and let's see what this week has in store. Decided I got to take a few of these videos and just include a little bit of everything. The car one I'll keep separate, but a lot of this other stuff I got going on, I'm trying to beat the weather with the winter and snow flying when it does. So I'm just going to kind of piece a little bit of everything in it, and I guess you'll see more of the daily life, I guess.
I burned out like a wandering ember. I shone bright, then my journey was over. What I sought when I ran was back where I began. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. Well, I scratched in the dirt for a while. I gained all that I knew for a price. In the end, what I found was nowhere near as nice. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. Though I fought with my claws and teeth, though I elbowed my way to a seat, there'd be no kind of peace like you beside me. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Nothing's as it seems in the photo. Nothing is as sweet going solo. Nowhere I can ramble or roam could change my mind, could slow my coming home. I'm coming home. Oh, I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. I'm I'm coming home.
These two crack me up sometimes. Out here digging like they're looking for gold, you never really know what they're thinking, but they sure act like it matters. Sometimes it feels like there's always one more thing to fix, one more project to get done. That's just life's way of saying, keep chipping away and always strive harder. Out here in nature, though, for me, it's all about balance. The noise fades, the air gets cleaner, and I remember why I do it all in the first place. So I can finish one thing to enjoy another. It's not just about getting ahead, it's about being present, whether it's digging in a trench, getting ready for winter, or watching the tree line for deer. It all matters.
Cause I've been burned before. I got baggage that you don't know of. Learn the hard way not to trust anyone. I'm not letting anyone get too close. I'm a wild one, I'm alright, love on my own. You probably think I'm hurting, but darling, I'll be fine. It's just a little heartbreak. When heartbreak fades
8 of them come up on this hillside, and couldn't see what they were for sure, if there was any bucks in the group. Didn't really look like it from what we could see, but anyway, they headed up this other side. I'll show you kind of this area, but now I'm headed back down, see if we can go up on the other side and catch up with them somewhere. They were headed right up this ravine, and I was trying to get ahead of them up there, push them back down, but they went up that other side. So now I'm headed back down.
Cowgirls don't cry. I'm not letting anyone get too close. I'm a wild one, I'm alright, love on my own. You probably think I'm hurting, but darling, I'll be fine.
Every day out here is truly a gift. If we woke up breathing, then we've already won life's lottery for the day. There are days of hard work, other days it's the dogs and kids going crazy, and at other times it's just peace and quiet. But in every bit of it, it reminds me why I push harder and do what I do. Remember, stay strong, stay proud, and always stay America first. Until next time, God bless.